Hi, and welcome to Clappia. In this video, we'll learn how to use the PDF viewer block available in Clappia. The PDF viewer block is used to display PDF documents directly within the app. It's useful for sharing company policies, user manuals, terms and conditions, training documents, and so on. Let's see how to do this with the help of a simple example. In my Clappia dashboard, I've started to create an app called Employee Handbook, so I'll just click on it. Now, I've not added many fields to this app because I just want this to be a read-only app with images and PDFs all over. So let's say I want employees to view company policies in a PDF format which appears directly into this app. For that, I'll go to Design App. I'll add the company policies as a PDF in this section. So first, I'll click on Add Field and then select the PDF viewer. This block can be configured on the right-hand panel. First, I'll give a name to this field. Let's say Company Policies. Next, we have description. If you're given a text over here and save it, that text appears at the bottom of this field, or you could leave it blank. Then we have attach files. Here I can upload a PDF document by dragging and dropping the file from my system or clicking to browse. For this example, I'll select this document and it is now uploaded. Do note that if you upload any other document apart from PDF formats, it will not be accepted and you will get an error message. If you want to upload formats that are of images or maybe videos, you can use other blocks available in Clappia. For PDF formats, you can use the PDF viewer. Now I'll save this. You can see the PDF has appeared over here. Now let's check this out in App Home. Here you can see the company policies document field with the PDF embedded directly within the app. Users can scroll through the document for easy reading. They can also click on this link to view it in a different tab. Now you can also change the width of this block. Simply go back to Design App and on this block's right panel, go to the Advanced section and under Block Width, you can change the desktop view or mobile view if you wish. Now that I've changed it to 75%, it has increased in width, and if I go back to App Home, you can see the increase. Now what if I want this block to appear only under specific conditions in the app? For example, if user selects policies, then this block should appear in the app. But if they select updates, and if I have uploaded anything relevant to updates, they should see that, else they should not see anything. So such display conditions can be implemented in your app. So I'll go back to Design App, and again for this block's right panel, under the Advanced section, we have Display this field if. Over here, you can implement logic and conditions similar to spreadsheet. Clappia shares a similar library, but in place of cell numbers, to implement such logic and conditions, we have variable names, which you can pull up field values directly into the app by typing in @. Now, as I mentioned, if company guidelines is selected as policies, then this block should appear. So an if condition is already given, so I'll type in the condition directly, @company guidelines equals to policies. This is the same as this option and the variable matches. Now I'll click on Save. Let's go back to App Home. And as you can see, the PDF viewer block is no longer visible in the app. And if I click Policies, it appears. If I click Updates, it goes away. You can add more PDF viewer blocks or any other blocks relevant to updates and give display conditions to those fields as well. This PDF viewer block will also be visible if you are using the Clappia mobile app. If you haven't downloaded it already, you can do so either on Play Store or App Store. And the moment you create any app, it will be live and ready to use over there as well. And your users will be able to see the PDF uploaded. Now do note, the PDF viewer block is only used to attach files of PDF formats for the users to view in the app. However, if you want to attach other file formats or images or videos, you can use the other blocks available. Or if you would like your users to upload files from their end, then you can use the camera, image and files block instead. So this is how you configure the PDF viewer block in Clappia. If you have any query or need help in configuring this block or on any other feature in Clappia, you can always reach out to us by clicking on this Request Support button. Select the appropriate option that is convenient for you and we'll get in touch. Thank you.